The FDA has approved emergency use authorization for Pfizer COVID-19 vaccines for children aged between 12 through 15. However, they did say that the Pfizer COVID-19 vaccine should not be given to anyone with known history of severe allergic reaction, including anaphylaxis to any component of the vaccine, since its authorization for emergency use. Rare severe allergic reaction, including anaphylaxis, have been reported following the administration of Pfizer COVID-19 vaccine in some recipients. Now, the sample size was pretty small. It was between the children aged between 12 through 15, only around 2,260, and then half of them were given placebo and half of them were given COVID-19 vaccine. But the good news is the pros of the trial was that of these 131 adolescent participants received vaccine and 129 received a placebo. When they did the trial, what they found out was that no cases of COVID-19 occurred among 1,005 vaccine recipients, and 16 cases of COVID-19 occurred among the 978 placebo recipients. The vaccine was 100% effective in preventing COVID-19 at this time. There are limited data to address whether the vaccines can prevent transmission of the virus from person to person. In addition, at this time, data are not available to determine how long the vaccine will provide protection. So this is similar to the adults. They said that the side effects are kind of similar, like fatigue, tiredness, and pain over the body. I took the Pfizer, both of the jabs myself as well, and then the second day of the second dose was the day that I felt pain all over, but then I did a long nap and I felt pretty good. So the sample size, I know, is pretty small, but this is good news of it preventing like 100%. In adults, it's not 100% in preventing COVID-19. Although for children, they do pretty good with COVID-19 versus adults. So I'm glad, things are moving forwards, not just for adults, but children as well. This is another step in stopping this pandemic from going even further. However, the sample size is small, but, I'm glad there is something now that's approved for younger children as well, not just adults. The more people that have the vaccines, the better chance we have of preventing this pandemic. Anyways, guys, I summed up the article for you guys, but if you guys want to read more about it, I'm going to leave the link in the comments so you guys can go and check it out for yourself, read it, and before you guys can give it to your children, so you guys should read all the pros and the cons of the vaccine, and then based on that information, you guys should go and get the vaccine or not. Anyways, guys, I'm going to try to remain, neutral in between, not telling you guys to go get it or not get it. But it should be your choice to decide. Anyways, guys, thank you guys for tuning in as always, and for more informative videos, don't forget to subscribe and tune in next time. Till then, take care of yourselves.